The Element E100 is a great tool for fire safety and protection. I know I'll be carrying one. While the Element E50 is great for home and on the road, the Element E100 is a better alternative for industrial use and safety. The Element E100 is named for its 100-second firefighting protection. This is almost 10 times longer than the average 5-pound fire extinguisher, and it takes up a fraction of the space. There are 4 easy steps to use the Element E100. Remove the cap first. Move the striker from the bottom. Gonna strike on the black part right there. And she just starts going. That works fantastic. Non-toxic, non-corrosive. With no mess left behind, there's no worry of corrosion or damage from the discharge. Both the Element E50 and E100 work by breaking the chemical chain reaction on a molecular level. The E100 provides an extra 50 seconds of firefighting time. Both will fight all major classes of fires, A, B, C, and K, including cooking oils and grease. If you want to know more about the Element E100 fire extinguisher, check out the store locator on the screen or in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time on In the Garage. Until then, keep exploring and have fun out there.